It's disgusting.
I want to sit on the Jon Snow chair.
Okay, can if you want.
No, I'm joking. Okay, let's do it.
You got something in your teeth. Are you done?
Are you done? Sorry.
Are you gonna wear that cap?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, no cap. You're much sexier.
I'll just be like.
Oh. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Brooke and I'm here with my fiance Tazz. We're going to film I do my fiance's makeup challenge. Say hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Amazing. We're gonna do Tazz's makeup in 30 minutes because apparently his time is money.
I want a fresh, vibrant, glam fab look. A winged eyeliner and a cut crease.
Oh my god, you're just gonna be here all day if we have to do that. No, it's not.
No, cut crease takes too long.
Yeah, we'll do a winged liner. So we're gonna start with a primer. I didn't say tell them the ingredients.
Salicylic acid, 20%. Well, what's
You mean
the...
glycolic acid?
No, it's got salicylic acid.
Show me salicylic.
Yeah, 20%. So they only tell you what's in this. They only tell you. They only tell you 20% what's in it. The other 80% is just. It's elves. They've got crushed elves. Crushed.
It's just
Elves are an endangered species. You cannot be crushing them. True match. Oh, just like us.
Aww.
But it's empty, just like us as well. So
Oh my god.
that's why.
You ruined it. You have a big head, so a lot of product.
Just use all your shit stuff on me then.
I don't have any shit stuff.
You're gonna put all this on
Yeah?
for me to take it off and go to the gym.
As opposed to you not taking it off and going out in the town.
Well.
Okay, beautiful. I think your base is flawless.
Yeah, I agree.
You know, look at yourself.
What's next?
You look
What's
like
next?
Edward Cullen. The face of Australia. Oh.
Please, I haven't won any competitions yet. You can't be calling me the face of Australia.
Yeah, let me trim your brows. I'm going to dust them away. With your eyes. Should we just go natural and make it look like you wear makeup?
I'm going for a job interview.
Oh, that's boring.
And something like that.
Okay.
Real earthy tones.
Earthy tones. Okay.
I want to look like Bindi Irwin drag queen style. Oh my god, that tickles so much.
Remain still, please, sir.
I'm gonna sneeze.
Look up for me.
Oh my god.
Still.
That's not the colour I picked.
Which colour was it? It's actually not too bad. You're doing alright. This feels like you back in the day where you used to wear eyeliner. It actually is making your eyes pop so
When's
much.
I used to wear
Look at the
eyeliner?
camera. Why do you look so sad? Look at me.
Come on, they're never gonna be twins. Sisters is good enough.
That's eyebrows. We have to do your eyebrows. Do you want like the bushy kind of brow look?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to look like Cara Delevingne. Love her.
You love me. Just
Oh, my contour. It seriously feels like there's a bug on my face. I got chest day, bro.
Your eyes look so beautiful. It's ridiculous. You're showing Ken this. You want to use the unicorn brush?
Totally.
What's worse, having to do the shoot with me today or having to do this?
Neither. They're both fantastic because you're involved.
Oh, stop. That's the timer. 30 minutes up. Just gently go. Come here.
Oh no.
What?
Oh no.
Show him your
I
eyes.
can go to Thailand.
I can't unsee this. I'm gonna go to pray for you at church.
Yeah, good job.
Thank you. I think I did too.
Tell you what, even I now look like I've just got a sick mullet. Brooke, I'm sorry, but it's a no from me. Yes.
Smile for me. You're fucking horrible. I'm Wish. I'm going to be doing a video on Wish soon, once I receive all my items. If you enjoyed doing your makeup, but you still loved me, let us know in the comments down below if you would like Taryn to do my makeup.
That's it.
Yeah. Alright, thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you made it to the end of this video, you can check us out on Instagram. I'm brookelindsay_, and you are
going to the gym.
Good luck taking that off. Don't rub so hard, you'll give yourself wrinkles.
Is it off?
Yeah. Go to the gym now.
I look like Courtney Love from the 90s.
What?
Courtney Love.
Bing! Oh my god. She's a sweet transvestite.
It's not something like that.
How's the song? Go.
I'm
Yeah, go, no, go.
straining my voice.
Come on.
I need some lemon juice.
Do it. Thank you for doing all the stuff with me today.
Thanks. I should be in the clear for the next 6 months, right?
I'll give it a month.
Mum's like, love it, you should go dress up now and go to Crown.
Yeah.